Patient Pro Connect sends emails to your existing patients about foot and ankle issues as well as patient education. An appointment request button is embedded within those emails. When that button is pressed, a notification is sent to your office cell phone. Good news, they are requesting an appointment. It is essential to contact them quickly, which is the key to successfully booking an appointment. Ideally, you'll be making this call within 15 minutes. Your conversation with the patient should sound something similar to this.
Hi, this is Jane from Anytown Podiatry. Is this Judith? We were notified that you are having heel pain and clicked to request an appointment. I wanted to make sure we had you on the calendar and we are addressing your request. I am looking at our schedule. We have availability tomorrow morning. Are you available to come in at that time?
Our system notifies you by cell phone to log into your dashboard and retrieve the request. You will notice there is a red number on the upper right of the campaign preview box. These are all the patients requesting appointments. Click the red circle with the number in it. A pop-up window opens, and you will see the patients who are requesting an appointment. There is a checkbox next to each name to tell the system that the patient has been contacted and not ignored. When you check the box after following up with the patient and they are booked, you will notice the number disappears and you are done. It is important not to let hours go by without scheduling the appointment request, since most requests are forgotten or their need to seek treatment is put off. Being quick to respond shows caring and great customer service. They will remember how responsive you are. Following these guidelines will help maximize the number of appointments Patient Pro Connect can bring to your office.